Is property management worth it? So we've had a lot of questions from you viewers asking if it's worth paying a property management company to look after your buy-to-lets and your HMOs. What is property management? So property management is whereby you employ somebody, normally a letting agent, to look after your property in your absence. And essentially that's in its simplest form what it is, okay? So they'll normally charge you anywhere between 8 and 12% of the monthly rent. So if you've got a rent of £500 per month, you'll pay anywhere between 8 and 12% as a management fee, okay? So if the fees are 12%, if the fees are 8%, you're going to pay £40. If the fees are 12%, you're going to be paying £60. Okay? Now, what I always say to people, if you've got one or two properties, it's probably not worth you managing it yourself. You might as well let a letting agent manage the properties, and you can then kind of just carry on with doing whatever you're doing. You know, maybe you've got a full-time job, so you can let them have the hassle of phone calls at 6 o'clock at night because there's a burst pipe or the toilet's blocked or whatever it may be. Okay. However, once you start to get to 10 properties or more, then I would recommend that you bring it in-house, that you do it yourself. Okay, because then if you've got 10 properties and you're paying £60, you're saving £600 a month, okay? That could go towards a part-time salary for somebody that could manage the properties for you, in-house, working for you. So that's what I would recommend. 1 to 10, let a letting agent do it. Anything over 10, you do it. However, what I would say is negotiate. So the more properties you give them, try and get them down to, a lower figure. Don't always go in at 10, 11, 12%. Negotiate with them. And also phone around and see, what other letting agents are offering. Okay, so short one today, but very simple answer to a question. So keep the questions coming, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next video.